I will explain how you can manage the main menu of your CRM. To access the extent icon, first go to the main menu, select Settings, and click on CRM Settings. Under the Other Settings drop-down menu, select Advanced Menu Manager. This will bring you to a screen where you can manage the menu. To adjust the sequence of modules, simply drag the module and drop where you want. To add something, press the Add button. You can add a module to the list, add a link, filter, or separator. Select the modules you want to add in the list and then press Save. Just like that, you can manage the order of your main modules and their child modules. That's it for the advanced menu extension for Vtiger CRM. Thank you for watching.